Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is Edexcel, January 2020, Core Mathematics C12, WMA 0101. Let us start the first question. 1a, write 6 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 2 in the form of a square root of 5 plus b square root of 2, where a and b are integers to be found. Let us start solve this question. This is A. Now 6 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 2. Let us multiply by square root of 5 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 5 plus square root of 2. This will give us 6 multiplied by square root of 5 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5, 5, square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 2 plus, and then minus square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 5 will give us 0, then minus square root of 2 multiplied by plus square root of 2 will give us minus 2. So it will be down here 3, 6, square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Here 6 with 3 equal to 2. So 2 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 2. And this is the answer of the question. When a equal to 2 and b equal to 2. This is the answer of the first part. Let us go ahead to the second. Hence, or otherwise, solve the equation square root of 5x equal to square root of 2x plus 18 square root of 5, giving your answer in its simplest form. So let us start to solve this part B. We have square root of 5 multiplied by x equal to square root of 2 multiplied by x plus 18 square root of 5. So let us bring the x in this side. So square root of 5 multiplied by x minus square root of 2 multiplied by x is equal to 18 square root of 5. So x multiplied by square root of 5 minus square root of 2 is equal to 18 square root of 5. So x will equal to 18 square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 2. This will equal to 18 is 3 multiplied by 6 square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 2. This will equal to 3 square root of 5 multiplied by 6 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 2. This part from the first part of the question A, 6 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 2 will give us what? 2 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 2. So it's equal to 3 square root of 5 multiplied by 2 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 2. So now x will equal to 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 2. So x is equal to 6 multiplied by 5, 30 plus 6 multiplied by square root of 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. And this is the answer of this part of the question. Okay, Let us go ahead to another one. Now question 2. The curve C has equation y equal to 2x squared minus 1 over x 4x minus 3. X is bigger than 0. Find the dy by dx given the answer in its simplest form. Let us start to solve. This is part A. Y equal to 2x squared minus 1 over 4x minus 3. So y equal to 2x squared minus 1 over 4x minus 1 minus 3. Let us start to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2 multiplied by 2x 2 minus 1 minus 1 over 4 multiplied by minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1 minus 0. So dy by dx will equal to 4x minus 1 over 4 minus minus plus. So plus 1 over 4 x minus 2. So it's equal to 4x plus 1 divided by 4x squared. This is dy by dx. And this is the answer of this part of the question. Let us go ahead to another part. Now the point B, half and minus 3 lies on C. Find the equation of the tangent to C at point B. So tangents. Write your answer in the form of y equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constant to be found. So we know that this is part B. M is equal to dy by dx. So the gradient of this line m is equal to 4x plus 1 over 4x squared. This, the point B, which is equal to, according to the given in the question, half and minus 3, half and minus 3 lie on the line, lie on the line. So m is equal to 4 multiplied by half, x equal to half, plus 1 over 4 multiplied by half square. So it's equal to here 2, so 2 plus here 1 over 4 plus 1. So the gradient is equal to 3. M is equal to 3. So the equation of the line, you can start to write the equation of the line y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to 3x plus c. Now at point half and minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3, x is equal to half plus c. So from here c is equal to minus 3 minus 3 over 2. So c is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 3, so minus 9 over 2. So now the equation of the line y equal to 3x minus 9 over 2. And this is the answer of the question. You can write it in this way, or you can write y equal to 3x minus 4.5. Both equation is the same. Okay, and this is the answer of this question. Question 3. Find the set of value of x for which number A, 4x minus 3 less than 2x minus 7. So let us start part A. 4x minus 3 less than 2x minus 7. So 4x minus 12 less than 2x minus 7. Let us bring 2x here and minus 12 in this side. So it will be 4x minus 2x less than minus 7 plus 12. So 2x is less than 5. So from here, x is less than 5 over 2. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another. Now, number B, 2x squared minus 5x is less than or equal to 63. So this is part B. So 2x squared minus 5x less than or equal to 63. So 2x squared minus 5x minus 63 is less than or equal to 0. This equation, we can use our calculator. So equation 5 and then 3. Now 2 enter, minus 5 enter, and minus 63 enter. So x is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 9 over 2. So I can write now x, 2x, and the answer again, minus 9 over 2. So here plus 9. And the second answer x is equal to 7, so I can write here minus 7 less than or equal to 0. So x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 9 divided by 2. So we can write x bigger than or equal to minus 9 over 2 and less than 7, less than or equal to 7, less than or equal to 7. Okay, and this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another part. Part C, 4x minus 3 is less than 2x minus 7, which is the first part, and then the second part, which is part B, 2x squared minus 5x less than or equal to 63. The value of x in the first part, x is less than 5 over 2. In part B, the x is bigger than or less minus 9 over 2 and less than or equal to 7. So from this equation and this equation, the maximum positive value can used for the both equation, which is x is less than 5 over 2. So we can write now the value of x for the both equation. So part C, x bigger than or equal to minus 9 over 2. But the minimum value 5 over 2 and 7, so x will be less than 5 over 2. And this is the answer of this question. This value will make the first equation right and the second equation right. Okay, so this is the solution for both equations. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Question number 4, find the integration for square root of x minus 3 divided by 2x squared dx for x bigger than 0, writing the answer in its simplest form. Let us start to solve this question. This is question number 4. Now we need the integration for square root of x minus 3 divided by 2x squared dx. Let us put the integration in the simplest form. So 4 square root of x divided by 2x squared minus 3 divided by 2x squared. All of them dx. So it's integration of this part with this part is equal to 2 x half minus 2, half x half minus 2, minus 3 over 2 x minus 2 dx. So it's equal to, again, integration 2x minus, let us put 2 as a common factor, so 4 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3 over 2 x minus 2 dx. So the integration is equal to 2x minus 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 over 2 plus 1 minus 3 over 2 x minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So it's equal to, let us find this value, 2 divided by minus divided by 2 plus 1 minus 4 x 2 minus half minus plus, here minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1, so plus 3 over 2 x minus 1 plus c. So it's equal to minus 4 divided by square root of x plus 3 over 2 x plus c. And this is the answer of the integration. Let us go ahead to another question. Now solve 4 power y is equal to 10 power 3000. So given your answer in the nearest whole number. So this is part I. 4 power y is equal to 10 3000. So let us make log. Log 4 power y is equal to log 10 power 3000. So y log 4 is equal to 3000 log 10. So log 10 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 3000 divided by log 4. Let us start to find this answer. 3000 divided by log 4. 4982.89. 4982.89. So it's equal to 4983. And this is the answer of this question. Now solve log 4x plus 4 minus 2 log 4 2 minus x is equal to half. This is part double I. So log base 4x plus 4 minus 2 log 2 minus x is equal to half. So log 4 x plus 4 minus this 2 will go inside, log 4 2 minus x squared is equal to half. So log 4, this minus mean divide. So x plus 4 divided by 2 minus x squared is equal to half. This half, I can write half log 4 base 4. Log base 4, 4. Because this one is equal to 1. So it's equal to log 4, 4 power half. So the final here, log 4 x plus 4 divided by 2 minus x squared is equal to log 4 power half. So this log will go with this log. So x plus 4 divided by 2 minus x squared is equal to 2. Because 4 power half is equal to 2. So cross multiplier, so x plus 4 is equal to 2, 2 minus x power square. So x plus 4 is equal to 2, 4 minus 4x plus x squared. So x plus 4 is equal to 8 minus 8x plus 2x squared. Let us bring this part here. So 2x squared minus 8x plus 8 minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x squared minus 8x minus x minus 9x plus 8 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. 5, 3. Now 2 enters minus 9 enters, 4 enters. So x is equal to 4, x is equal to half. So x equal to 4 and x equal to half. This is the answer of the equation. If x equal to 4, let us go ahead to the equation. So x plus 4 is equal to x equal to 4, so 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So I can find the log. Here, 2 minus x, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Log, we don't have log minus value. So x, this is wrong answer. So the only x here is x equal to half. So x equal to half. Why only x is equal to half? Because if we take 4 and go to the equation, the main equation, 2 minus 4 will give us minus 2. We don't have log for minus 2, so 4 is not answer for this equation. Okay, so the only answer is half. Let us go ahead and solve another question. Now we have this line PQ. So line L1 shown in figure 1 has equation 2x is equal to 3x plus 8. The line intersected the y-axis at the point B and passed through the point Q with x coordinate equal to x, 6. So the coordinate here, 6. The coordinate of this point is 6. Okay? Find the coordinate of B. B, we have what? X equal to 0. So for x equal to 0, we can find B. So this is A, I. So B, x equal to 0. So 2y equal to 3 multiplied by 0 plus 8. So from here, 2y is equal to 8. So y B is equal to 4. So point B is equal to 0 and 4. 0 and 4. So here, this point, 0, 4. Okay? Now find the coordinate of Q. Q, he said that x is equal to 6. So again, Q Q x is equal to 6, so 2y is equal to 3 multiplied by 6 plus 8. So y will equal to 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So Q is equal to 6 and 13. Okay, let us go ahead. Now the line L2 perpendicular to L1 and pass through the point Q. So we have line L1 perpendicular here and pass through. So this is line L2. So this line L2, okay, which is perpendicular to line L1 at Q. Find the equation of L2, write the answer into form AX plus BX plus C equal to 0, where A and B and C are integer to be found. So let us now find the equation for the line M2. So this is L2, so this is B. The equation of the line L1, 2y is equal to 3x plus 8. This is the equation of the line, 3x plus 8. 2y is equal to 3x plus 8. So now let us find dy by dx. So y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 4. We divide here over 2. So dy by dx is equal to 3 divided by 2. This is what? L1 equal to 3 divided by 2. L2 perpendicular to L1. So L2 is equal to minus 1 over 3 over 2. So the gradient of L2 is equal to minus 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So the equation of this line, y L2 is equal to mx plus c. And we know that this line is at point Q. Q is 6 and 13. So y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus c. Add 6 and 13. 13 is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 6 plus c. Here, this one with this one is equal to 2. So c will equal to 13 plus 4, which is equal to 17. So the equation of the line y equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 17. So let us multiply by 3. So 3y equal to minus 2x plus 3 multiplied by 7, 21, equal 51. So 51. So 3y plus 2x minus 51 is equal to 0. So the equation of the line 2x plus 3y minus 51 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line L2. Let us go ahead to another part. Now, the line L2 cut the x-axis at point R. So the point here, this point here is R. You need what? Find the area of the quadrilateral OBQR. OBQR. So all of this area. So this area, this area will be the trapezoid OBQ, and here this point plus the triangle Q and this point and R. So trapezoid plus triangle. Take it into consideration. Here, this distance from here to here, the distance OB is equal to 4. And the distance Q, the vertical component here, 13. And the horizontal is 6. So the area of the trapezoid here is 4 plus 13 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. Now we need the coordinate of R because we need this distance. We need this x. Okay? So the coordinate of R, x equal y equal to 0. Coordinate of y. So this is part. So here, this is part C. Part C for R, y equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 multiplied by 0 minus 51 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 51. So from here, x is equal to 51 divided by 2. So the point R is equal to 0 and 51 divided by 2. So this distance now, x here, is equal to 51 divided by 2 minus 6. So the triangle half 13 multiplied by this value will give us the triangle. So the area, let us write the area now. Area, first trapezoid, 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 plus 13 plus half. The height of the triangle is 13 multiplied by x1, which is 51 divided by 2 minus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 13 plus 0.5 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 51 divided by 2 minus 6. So 700, so area is equal to 711 divided by 4, which is equal to 177.75. 177.75. This is the area that he needs. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Figure 2 shows plan of garden ABCD in the shape of quadrature. Given that AB is equal to 12, AB equal to 12, BC is 10, BC is 10, AD is 7.6, AD 7.6, angle ABC is 73, which is this one, and the angle DAB is equal to 80. Find the length of BD in meter, given your answer to 2 decimal place. So he needs the line BD in this triangle. So he needs BD. So for the triangle ABD, BD squared, cosine rules, BD squared is equal to 12 squared plus 7.6 squared minus 2 multiplied by 7.6, 12 multiplied by cosine 80. Let us start. So this is A. So BD squared is equal to 12 squared plus 7.6 squared minus 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 7.6 multiplied by cosine 80. So BD equal to, let us find this value. So 12 squared plus 7.6 squared minus 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied 7.6 multiplied by cosine 80, 170.1. So from here, BD is equal to square root of answer. Square root answer equal to 13.04. 13.04. 13.04. This is the answer, 2 decimal place. So BD is 13.05, of course, meters. So let us go right here, 13.04. Now, find, making your methods clear, the area of the garden ABCD, giving your answer to the nearest meter square. This garden consists of two triangles. The first one ABD, this is the first one. The second one is CBD. To find the area of the first triangle, we have the area is half 12 multiplied by 7.6 sine 80. The second triangle, I need this angle. So this angle, I need this angle. To find this angle, we can go through this. Let us say this angle theta 1 and this is theta 2. We need to find theta 1 from the first triangle. Theta 1, I can find theta 1 using what? Sine rules. 7.6 divided by sine theta 1 is equal to 13.04 divided by sine 80. So let us start to solve this question. So this is part B. Again, now from the triangle ABD, from this triangle we have 7.6 divided by sine theta 1. 7.6 divided by sine theta 1 is equal to 13.04 divided by sine 80. So sine theta 1 is equal to 7.6 multiplied by sine 80 divided by 13.04. Let us find this answer. So 7.6 multiplied by sine 80 divided by 13.04. 0.574. 0.574. So theta 1 is equal to shift sine inverse answer 35 degree. 35 degree. So theta 1 here is 35. So this angle now, which is angle DBC, this angle is 73 minus 35, which is equal to, let us bring our calculator, 73 minus 35, 38. So now the area is equal to the first triangle area half multiplied by 7.6 multiplied by 12 multiplied by sine 80 plus the second line area half, the second triangle area is half 13.04 multiplied by 10 multiplied by sine 38. So the total area is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 7.6 multiplied by 12 multiplied by sine 80. sine 80 plus 0.5 multiplied by 13.04 multiplied by 10 multiplied by sine 38. So the area is 85 meters squared. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The curve C has equation 2x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2y equal to 3. The line L has equation y equal to 2x plus k, where k is a constant. Show that the x coordinates of the point where C and L intersected are given by the solution of the equation, this one. So let us start to solve this part. This is part A. Now we have y equal to 2x plus k, and here the equation of the curve. Let us put every y with this value. So 2x squared plus 2x plus k squared plus 4x minus 2x plus k equal to 3. So two x squared plus 4x squared plus 4kx plus k squared plus 4x minus 4x minus 2k equal to 3. 4x, so 6x squared plus 4kx plus k squared minus 2k minus 3 equal to 0. And this is the equation that he needs. He asked for this equation, which is the intersection between the line and the curve. Okay? Hence, find the two value of k where L is tangent to C. When the line will be tangent to the curve, if the intersection, this equation, has only one solution. So one solution means b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is part B. So from this equation, a is equal to 6 and b 4k and c is equal to k squared minus 2k minus 3. So it's mean that if the line is tangent, that 4k squared minus 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by k squared minus 2k minus 3 equal to 0. So 16k squared minus 24 multiplied by k squared minus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us divide it by 8. So here will be 2, here will be 3. So 2k squared minus 3k squared plus 6k plus 9 equal to 0. So from here minus k squared plus 6k plus 9 equal to 0. So let us bring our calculator. So equation minus 1, 6, 9. So k is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2 and 3 minus 3 square root of 2. So k is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2 and k equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 2. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to student A is taking part of sponsored cycle ride. He plans to cycle 1000 kilometers over number of days. On day 1, student A cycled 50 kilometers. So this one as day 1, so this value is A. He plans to cycle 12 kilometers more each day than he had cycled the previous day. So this 12 kilometers is D. He will stop cycling when he reaches 1000 kilometers. So this is the S, this is the summation. Show that the student A will finish the ride on day 10 by cycling 118 kilometers. So now he said that he will finish by day 10. So we need S10. And in the same time, in S10, he will write, he need to prove that in this day, he will cycling 118 kilometers. So we need to prove that in this day, first, he finished in day 10. Second, in day 10, he will cycling 118 kilometers. So let us start. We know that this is the equation. So this is part A. So now Sn is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So Sn equal to 10 divided by 2. 2 multiplied by A is equal to 50. So A is equal to 50 kilometers plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by D equal to 12. Okay? So this value S10 will equal to, let us start to solve this equation. So 5 multiplied by open bracket 2 by 50 plus 9 multiplied by 12. So 1040 kilometers. So he will finish in day 10. Now, because this one is bigger than 1000. Now, he need the value at the day 10. So we need S9. The value that he's cycling in 9. So 9 divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 50 plus 9 minus 1 multiplied by 12. So the total by day 9 will equal to, let us start to change here, this one 8, and we will go here, this one 4.5. So in day 9, the total by day 9 is 882 kilometers. So cycle in day 10 would equal to 1000 minus 882. So it's equal to 1000 minus 882, so 118. And this is the answer that he asked about. Now, student B also planned to cycle 1000 kilometers over number of days. On day 1, she cycles D kilometers. So A here is equal to D. A equal to D. Now, student B plans to cycle 2% further each day than she had cycled in the previous day. So R equal to 1 plus 2 divided by 100. So 1.02, because she take 2%, she increased by 2%. Give that she will take 8 complete days to cycle the 1000 kilometers. So she finished after 8 complete days. Find the value of D given your answer to 2 decimal place. So he need the first distance that he cycle, which is D or A. Now let us start to solve this question. So now we know this is B. This is the equation. A equal to D and R equal to 1.02. So S8, which is equal to 1000, is equal to A equal to D 1.02 power 8 minus 1 divided by 1.02 minus 1. So 1000 multiplied by 1.02 minus 1 equal to D multiplied by 1.02 power 8 minus 1. So D will equal to 1000 multiplied by 0.02 divided by 1.02 power 8 minus 1. So D will equal to, let us bring our calculator. So 1000 multiplied by 0.02 divided by 1.02 power 8 minus 1. So 116.5. 116.5. You need the value to 2 decimal place. So let us add. This is our calculator, 5097. So 116.1 kilometers. This is the value she need in the first day. Okay, let us go ahead to another. Now f of x is equal to minus x cubed plus 7x squared plus 10x minus 24. Use factor theorem to show that f of x is divisible by x plus 2. So this is part A. F of x, so x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to minus 2 power 3 plus 7 minus 2 squared plus 10 minus 2 minus 24. So f of minus 2 will equal to 0. So x plus 2 is factor of f of x. So f of x divided by or divisible by x plus 2. Hence, write f of x as a product of 3 linear factors. So let us now start to solve this part. This is part B. F of x is equal to minus 2x power 3 plus 7x squared plus 10x minus 24. Let us make the long division. So x plus 2 minus 2x power 3 plus 7x squared plus 10x minus 24. So minus 2x squared minus 2x power 3 minus 4x squared. So plus here go together 11x squared plus 10x minus 24. So plus 11x squared plus 22x minus. So minus 12x minus 24. So minus here will be minus 12. So minus 12x minus 24 plus 0, 0. So f of x was equal to x plus 2 multiplied by minus 2x 12 minus 2x squared plus 11x minus 12. So equation function 3 minus 2 enter, 11 enter, minus 12 enter. So x equal to 4, so f of x plus 2, x minus 4, and then the last part 3 over 2, here minus 2x squared, so minus 2x plus 3. This is the 3 part of f of x. So this is the 3 part of f of x. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Now fully factorize x cubed minus 2x squared minus 8x. So this is part B. Let us write the equation again. X cubed minus 2x squared, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 8x minus 8x is equal to, let us bring our calculators again. 1 enter, minus 2 enter, minus 8 enter, x minus 4, x plus 2. So it's equal to x minus 4, x plus 2. And we have here, of course, x. So x, because this is x power 3, so x minus 4, x plus 2. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. In the second part, hence show that this is f of x divided by the first part in this question can be written in the form a plus b divided by x, where a and b are integer to be found. So let us solve this part. This is c double I. We have f of x divided by x cubed minus 2x squared minus 8x. So it's equal to, let us write the f of x here, f of x, x plus 2, x minus 4, minus 2x plus 3, divided by x, x minus 4, multiply x plus 2. This x plus 2 with this part, x minus 4 with this part, so the remaining is minus 2x plus 3 divided by x. So it's equal to minus 2x divided by x plus 3 divided by x. So it's equal to minus 2 plus 3 divided by x. And this is the answer of the question. So A is equal to minus 2 and B equal to 3. this is the answer of this part. Okay, let us go ahead to another question.